Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today you will learn how to achieve financial freedom step by step in clear and easy English. This lesson is perfect for English learners, people who want motivation, anyone who wants to improve their life and their money habits. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy this motivational English lesson. Let's begin. What is financial freedom? Financial freedom means having enough money to live the life you want without stress, fear, or worrying every month. It does not mean being rich or buying expensive things. Financial freedom means you can pay your bills, you have savings, you can make choices, you have peace of mind. Here is a simple way to understand it. Your money works for you instead of you always working for money. Many people work hard all their lives but never feel free. They are stressed, they are tired, they worry about the future. Financial freedom helps you escape this cycle. Most people do not know how they spend their money. They buy small things every day, and at the end of the month, their money is gone. So, the first step to financial freedom is track your money. Write down how much you earn, how much you spend, what you spend it on. You can use a notebook, a phone app, or a simple list. When you know where your money goes, you can control it. When you don't know, your money controls you. This step sounds simple, but it is not easy. Most people spend more than they earn. They use credit cards, they take loans, they try to impress others. But financial freedom begins when you spend less than you make. Try these habits. Cook at home instead of eating out. Use public transportation. Buy what you need, not what you want. Wait 24 hours before buying anything expensive. This builds a very powerful habit, self control. Self control is the foundation of financial success. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down. You get sick. You lose your job. If you don't have savings, these events become disasters. That's why you need an emergency fund, money saved for unexpected problems. How much? Start small. First goal, save $100. Second goal, save $500. Final goal, save 3 to 6 months of your expenses. When you have an emergency fund, you feel safe, you feel stronger, you feel free. Saving money is important, but saving alone will not make you financially free. You need to invest. Investing means using your money to make more money. Some simple ways to invest: stocks, index funds, real estate, a small business, skills and education. The most important rule of investing is start small but start early. Even $10 or $20 a month grows over time. Investing is like planting a tree. If you plant the tree today, you enjoy the shade in the future. Most people have only one source of income, their job. But if you lose that job, everything becomes difficult. Financial freedom comes faster when you have multiple income streams. Examples: a part time online job, selling products like your clothing brand, teaching a skill, freelancing, digital products, investments that pay you monthly. You don't need big money to start. You just need creativity and consistency. Money is not only about numbers, It is also about your mindset, the way you think. Poor mindset. I can't save money. It's too late for me. Only lucky people become rich. Rich mindset. I can learn anything. Small steps make big results. I control my money. Your thoughts shape your actions. Your actions shape your results. Your results shape your life. So choose empowering thoughts. If your friends always spend money, you will spend more too. If your friends say you can't do it, you will stop believing in yourself. But if you surround yourself with motivated, smart, responsible people, you will grow faster. Find people who support your goals, encourage you, teach you, inspire you. Your environment defines your future. Financial freedom is not about luck. It is not about being born into a rich family. It is not about winning the lottery. Financial freedom is a skill, and like any skill, you can learn it. You have the power, you have the ability, you can change your financial future. Start today, start small, stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for learning English with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.